Hello everyone, welcome back to the Alpha 1982, your YouTube paracord community. I hope that you're all safe and sound and that you're ready for yet another awesome paracord tutorial. Today we're gonna make again the absolute king between paracord bracelet, the King Cobra Paracord Bracelet. This is the first bracelet I ever made out of the paracord and one of the reasons why I start making the paracord bracelets. When you start the paracord, the first weave you learn is almost always the Solomon knot. So this is the basic Solomon and the I say double Solomon because in the core you have Solomon or Cobra bracelet and above again the Solomon. For today's project we're gonna use this silver and this orange paracord. Here I have two different colors joined, the orange and gray or silver as you wish, together. And here is the paracord for our bracelet core or base for the Cobra bracelet. So let's start. So first we're gonna take the ends of a gray paracord and we're gonna pull it all the way together so we can find the center of paracord like I just did. So when you pull it, find the center and then simply make it from the top into the bracelet buckle. And now we're gonna start. First, the left cord on top of the bracelet core, those two strands, and then the right strand on top of the left one, under those two basic or base cords, and through the loop on the left. So now we have the one more knot to the end of this cobra, and then we're gonna start with the second. So here, now we're gonna cut off the excess of a cord, melt it down and proceed. So now, as you can see, we insert the cords into this bracelet core of the Cobra, one and the other end, and here where it's those two cords joined or where they are melted. Now we're gonna start. We're gonna use the gray one to be on top of the bracelet here, and the orange will be on the side. So take the gray, make it on top, the orange around from the back and through the loop on the right side. Now from here, on top, to the side, orange on top, around from the back and through the loop on the left.